we got a new exhaust by, is that GReddy Performance? I think so. I don't know. I don't really know.
Yes,
whatever.
It is GReddy Performance.
Got a new exhaust for the Camry, and she's big. Look at this thing. That. It's got fingerprints, of course. Someone's greasy fingers on it, but RS GReddy Performance products. That is big. Welds look fucking beautiful. Look at that. This is what the inside looks like. That's crazy.
He's taking cinematics of his muffler.
Basically, this massive thing will be, oh Jesus, replacing the HKS muffler, which is probably half the size if you can't tell. This thing is just massive. Holy, like compared to this thing, look at that. I can barely fit my hand in there. This guy, that's crazy.